Hey guys, and welcome to this Devlog update for my new airport sim game, which I'll be creating in Unreal Engine 5. So I managed to implement Unreal Engine's gameplay ability system to start setting up the build ability. The player can now activate or deactivate the build mode with the B key. When the ability is activated, it will also spawn a target actor, and we'll be able to use that to spawn the buildable items. I then needed to start setting up the base classes for the buildable items and the data structures needed to implement dynamically generated menus. The build menu is now dynamically generated based off of the data table and is also linked with a pointer to the build gameplay ability. So these are the items that actually make up the structure of the buildable items. So this a build item base, this will be the parent class of all of the buildable items that get spawned in the world. Build item data asset base. So this is the base class for the build data assets, and every item will have an instance of this, and there will be derivatives of this data asset class. And then we have the data table row, which makes up the actual data table, and this simply just has the data asset. So that looks like in the editor. So the data asset base, parent class and display name, we're able to use these. So test item number 1, and as we make child classes, we'll be able to choose those here. We can then add those to the data table here, and then because we now have access to that, the widgets are able to dynamically create a menu based off of that. So next week I want to finish getting the build ability to its most basic functional form, including being able to spawn new items. I also want to integrate the build system with the existing game save interface so that we can save and load our built items. The original livestream videos are available for you to watch, so please go ahead and check those out. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll catch you next week.